Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting a Magic Mouse to Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Make sure that your mouse is switched on. Then click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your Mac. Choose System Settings from the menu that appears. Click Bluetooth from the left sidebar. Your mouse should appear after a minute under the Nearby Devices heading. Click Connect to the right of your mouse's name. Your mouse is now connected. If you click the eye to the right of the mouse's name, you can see info about it as well as disconnect and forget it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.